Welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this quick and informative tutorial, you'll learn how to validate or check sketches in FreeCAD. The Sketcher Validate tool can analyze and repair a sketch that is no longer editable or has invalid constraints or add missing coincident constraints. It can also be useful to locate a missing coincidence in a native sketch that generates an error when trying to apply a part design feature. To create a CAD 3D model is a closed sketch profile with valid constraints required. In this pop-up dialog window, you have the following options to validate the sketch. 1. Checking the missing coincidences and overlapping vertices. 2. Checks if the tolerances are according to FreeCAD standards. 3. Checks invalid constraints if there is a zero length line or zero radius arc. 4. Checking constraint orientations. 5. And checking if reversed external geometry exists. This Validate tool can be used only in 3D mode. In the following examples, I will show you how to use or validate the sketch in FreeCAD. Here I created a closed and full constrained sketch. Select the sketch and then click Select Validate icon from the menu. Now check or validate the sketch by clicking step by step the Highlight Troublesome Vertexes and Find buttons. In this case, there is no issue with the sketch, then now it is possible to create a 3D part. If you such notification, please make first the body in which the sketch is inactive. Now create the pad. Now we analyze a similar sketch and repair if there is a problem to create a pad. As you see, the sketch is full constrained. You can select also the Validate Sketch option from the menu, Sketcher. The sketch is full constrained, but it is not closed. Check by the other options. There are no other problems. With this gap issue, it is not possible to create a pad. When you try to create a 3D part, the sketch will disappear from the screen. Now we start to repair the sketch. Means we should close the gap. Analyze again the sketch. Now we analyze again a similar sketch with different issue. Again, the sketch is full constraint. Repeat the same procedure like we did before. These 2 points showing us that there is a sketch issue between these 2 points. Now we have to find and repair the issue. Again, it is not possible to create a 3D part. The sketch is closed, but 2 lines are overlapping between the 2 points. You can erase or change 1 line to construction geometry. Now you TC the 2 pawns and create the 3D part. That's all for today. Please follow the other FreeCAD sketch tutorials. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.